Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales optimization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sales section on your dashboard. Here, you'll find key modules such as leads, opportunities, and accounts. Begin by adding a new lead by clicking the plus new button. Fill in the required information, including the lead's name and contact details. Next, save the lead to store the information in your system. After saving, open the lead record to access additional options. You can add notes and schedule follow-ups to keep track of your interactions. Now, let's convert your lead into an opportunity. Click on the Convert to Opportunity button within the lead record. This action allows you to define the potential value and expected close date. Once the opportunity is created, update it regularly with progress notes. To manage your sales pipeline effectively, use the Opportunity Stage field. Choose the appropriate stage to reflect where the opportunity currently stands. Next, explore the Sales Insights feature for data-driven recommendations. This tool analyzes your sales patterns and suggests actions for improvement. For forecasting, navigate to the Sales Forecast section. Here, you can set targets and track your performance against them. Generate reports on sales activities, conversion rates, and revenue forecasts. You can customize these reports to focus on metrics that matter most to you. Lastly, take advantage of the integration capabilities with other tools. For example, connect to Outlook for seamless email tracking and scheduling. This integration helps maintain communication logs automatically. In conclusion, Microsoft Dynamics 365 offers a robust set of features for optimizing your sales team. Regularly explore new updates and functionalities to enhance your user experience. With practice, you will find this platform invaluable for your sales strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.